Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook Ginataang Tilapia. First, gather your fresh ingredients for an authentic taste. You will need 1 whole tilapia, approximately 1.5 pounds, 2 cups of thick coconut milk, and a small piece of fresh ginger. Also, prepare 4 cloves of garlic, 1 medium onion, and 1/4 cup of fish sauce. These foundational elements ensure a rich and aromatic base for our delicious fish. Start by carefully cleaning your tilapia, ensuring it is free from scales and any internal organs. Pat it dry with paper towels, then lightly season both sides with a pinch of salt and a dash of black pepper. In a large pan, heat 1 tablespoon of cooking oil over medium heat. Add your minced garlic, sliced ginger, and chopped onion, sautéing them until they release their wonderful aroma and soften, taking about 3 to 4 minutes. Once your aromatics are fragrant, gently pour in 2 cups of rich, thick coconut milk. Bring this mixture to a low simmer, allowing the liquid to heat through and absorb the delicious flavors from your ginger, garlic, and onion. Carefully nestle the seasoned tilapia into the simmering coconut sauce, ensuring it is partially submerged. Let it cook undisturbed for about 10 to 12 minutes, or until the fish is almost cooked through. Now it is time to introduce your vegetables to the pan. Add 1 cup of string beans, cut into 2-inch pieces, and 1 sliced red chili for a pleasant kick, if desired. Gently push these vegetables into the coconut milk, ensuring they are partially covered and can cook alongside the fish. Season the entire dish with 1/4 cup of fish sauce, stirring it in carefully. Let everything simmer for another 5 to 7 minutes, allowing the vegetables to become tender crisp.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.